Okay, so let's talk about getting feature data. And one of the things that might be pretty useful is the ability to get the feature counts of particular models that you're working with. So I have three brackets here that I'm going to be working with. We're going to turn two of them off from being open, and then we're going to be writing a new table for this data. So we're just going to come in and say get counts using the table feature option. And by default, it's going to take the active model. You can also subfilter it for like the type of feature that you're interested in, and also whether you want to include named features or just allow everything. And then the table name that it's going to write to is where you're going to be putting the data to. So I'm going to put in my table here. So if we come back in and we take a look at this and just run it as it is, this is going to open up that one file and write that data out. So you can see here that it's reporting that we have three cuts, a flat pattern, and a protrusion involved with this model. So let's go ahead and also uncomment these other models here. And now we want to kind of include a little bit of a wild card. So we could actually say I want anything with an F in it, and is also an instance in a PRT. And if we run this now we're processing all the flat patterns of these models. And you can see here that this is currently what's in each of those models that are there. If we open this up into just all variations of whatever is in session, then we should get the default models also, as well as the flat patterns, which we do. So quite handy if you're interested in just capturing the counts of the feature types. This is a very quick and easy way to do it. Then you could use this data within Power Query to kind of perform other operations like cost estimation or whatever for components.